Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our informative videos. Today, I will be discussing a critical topic, understanding the process of getting a divorce in Turkey. This is especially relevant if you or your spouse are Turkish citizens or if your marriage took place in Turkey. We will cover important aspects such as legal procedures, reason for divorce, property division, alimony, and child custody. In Turkey, the divorce process is regulated by the Turkish Civil Code and implemented by family courts. Spouses can either divorce by mutual agreement or contestation. The decision to divorce is often an emotional and difficult process. After this decision, most people don't know exactly what steps to take. At this point, I will explain how you can start the divorce process in Turkey, from the divorce decision to the end of the case. First step is divorce petition preparation. You can consult a lawyer to prepare and submit a divorce petition. In this petition, you must state the reasons for your divorce request and your demands. Second step is submission to family courts. We submit the prepared divorce petition to the family courts. We will schedule a hearing as soon as possible. Third step is hearing. At the hearing, the judge listens to your reasons for divorce and decides whether they are legally valid, collects your evidence, and listens to your witnesses. And the last step is decision. If your reasons for divorce are deemed justified by the judge issues the divorce decision and the decision is officially recorded in the civil registry. It would be useful to briefly touch upon the court fees associated with filing with divorce in Turkey. According to the current fees for 2023, the divorce case fee is determined as 600 Turkish liras and the court evidence advance fee is determined as 1000 Turkish liras. Apart from fees and advance evidence fees, if you are considering getting service from a lawyer during the divorce process, you should also take into account attorney's fees. For example, the attorney fee for the contested divorce case in 2023 is 45,000 Turkish liras and the attorney fee for the consensual divorce and contested divorce case in 2023 has been determined as 25,000 Turkish liras. However, it should be noted that since every divorce case is different and each attorney's pricing policy may vary, attorney fees may vary depending on your specific situation. I want to give more understandable examples of the reasons for divorce accepted in Turkey. First one, cheat. Violation of the principle of fidelity to the marriage union is a common reason for divorce. Second example, lack of affection or intimacy. Many people decide to divorce when the love and closeness between spouses ends. Third example is having no children. One spouse's inability or unwillingness to have children may cause the other party to request a divorce. Fourth one is maltreatment. Generally, violence or bad behavior towards children within the family are also common reasons for divorce cases. My fifth example is economic problems. Economic problems or economic imbalances between spouses can negatively affect the marital union. Sixth example is mental illness. A situation in which one spouse suffers from a mental illness that may endanger the life of the other spouse. My last divorce reason example is abandonment. One of the spouses abandons the other. The situation continues for a year and the abandoned spouse can start a divorce. The reasons for divorce are not limited to this. It is possible to present as a reason for divorce an fact that, in a subjective sense, makes a marriage impossible for you. You can contact with me anytime to find out whether your current situation is a sufficient reason for divorce in Turkey. Let's talk about property sharing and alimony. Property division and alimony issues have an important place in the divorce process. Property sharing in Turkey is based on the regime of participation in acquired property. According to this regime, the property acquired during the marriage is divided equally, that is half and half, between the spouses. Assets taken into account in property division include real estate, securities, bank deposits, business assets, and other valuable acquired during the marriage. Inherited property or property acquired free of charge is not subject to this sharing. These goods are considered personal property. On the other hand, in divorce cases in Turkey, alimony can be requested from the other party in order to ensure the livelihood of the needy party. Alimony is determined according to the need and the economic power of the parties. Alimony requests are divided into two: precautionary alimony and poverty alimony. Precautionary alimony may be requested to temporarily support the needy party during the divorce case. Poverty alimony can be requested to ensure the livelihood of the party in need when divorce decision is finalized. In summary, property division and alimony are important and complex issues addressed during the divorce process in Turkey. It is important that you consult a legal professional for information and advice specific to your situation. Let's move on and talk about child rights and custody in divorce process in Turkey. The ultimate purpose of custody is to ensure that the child, who has not yet reached adulthood, is prepared for future life as an adult. While custody is shared by the mother and father during the marriage, in case of divorce, it's given to one of the parents. Joint custody practice is also accepted in many courthouses of Turkey as of 2023. In Turkey, custody determination is made taking into account the best interest of the child. In addition, the spouse who doesn't have custody of the child may file a lawsuit for change of custody in the family court against the other spouse. I also want to explain women's surname situation after divorce. It's a common practice in Turkish law. After the divorce, the woman's surname is automatically corrected to her maiden name. However, the woman has the right to continue using her ex-husband's surname if she requests it from the judge. The situation is different in terms of children. Even if custody remains with the mother, the child carries that father's surname after the divorce. The mother with custody has the right to file a lawsuit against the situation. If sufficient reasons is shown, the child's surname can be changed by the judge to be the same as the mother's maiden name. As a conclusion, the reasons for divorce in Turkey are not limited and vary from person to person. First of all, I recommend that the parties think carefully about the reasons for the divorce and try to find a solution through agreements. Consensual divorce shortens the litigation process and reduces the costs. Before filing for divorce, the status of the acquired property should be determined. Financial issues and child custody should be discussed. During the litigation process, evidence must be collected and legal support must be obtained. It is important that the parties act patiently, respectfully, and the best interest of the child during the process. I hope this video has provided some valuable insights into the intricacies of navigating a divorce process in Turkey. Remember, this video doesn't substitute for legal advice and it's highly recommended to consult with a legal professional for personalized guidance. During this difficult process, you need to make sure that you carefully consider every detail and your rights are fully protected. This is as the founding partner of İncekaş law firm. I've been a lawyer specializing in family law for many years. Throughout my career, I have provided personal, meticulous, and understanding support to my clients, guiding them from the beginning to the end of the process. My experience, knowledge, and expertise are the perfect combination to help you through the divorce process. If you are considering starting your divorce process in Turkey or need a lawyer to talk about your current situation and options, contact me now.